Welcome back, y'all. It's raining again. It's been raining for like forever. Just kidding. It's only been raining for like 3 days. And the first day was more of just like a misty, drizzly, overcast kind of day, but we're counting that. Since we're stuck inside because it's so messy and yuck out there, the mind can start thinking about things like Thanksgiving, planning for all that. And Thanksgiving leads to Christmas. Then you start wondering where you're gonna put your Christmas tree this year. Some people put it in the same place every year. I like to switch it up. I mean, there aren't too many places to put it, but I still like to switch it up. This year, we're gonna put it right over here in this corner. Since we did the house updates a couple of years ago, we haven't had the Christmas tree over there yet. Yes, I was making sure there was a plug in there. So I'm thinking Christmas tree's gonna go there, which means I'll have to rearrange. Seeing as how we are only 4 weeks and 2 days away from Thanksgiving, we're gonna rearrange today because we're stuck inside anyway. Plus I need to do another good mop under the furniture and stuff anyway. So while we've got it pulled out, we're just gonna move stuff around. It's only gonna be switching, I think, back to the way that it was before I rearranged the last time. That way we have room for the Christmas tree over there. We'll just move the love seat over there, couch over here, and then, you know, the Christmas tree can go over there. No, I think I'm gonna leave the TV where it's at. These kind of days also make you sleepy, so if you don't do something, you're gonna be taking a nap. And I hate taking naps. I mean, I like taking naps, but when I wake up from the nap, then I'm always mad at myself. And I don't wanna be mad at myself today, so I'm gonna rearrange in here. We're gonna move everything. I already put some carpet cleaner on the rugs, so it's just been, you know, sitting on there. So we'll move all this stuff, vacuum the rugs, and then I'll take them out, or over here somewhere, since I can't hang them on the back porch today since it's raining off and on, but we'll move them out of the way, mop this whole floor over here, let it dry, and then move everything back, and boom, it's gonna feel like fresh happiness in here, and we'll be ready to put a Christmas tree right there in 4 weeks. Oh, and I'm gonna bring out the rest of the Thanksgiving stuff. I put out all the fall stuff, y'all know, when we decorated for fall, but there were a few things that were specifically Thanksgiving that I didn't put out yet. All right, so I got all this moved. I can't move that desk to get that rug out from under there, so it's just gonna have to stay there. But I got all this clean over here. I'm still waiting on it to dry just a little bit. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna clean the windows since there's nothing in front of them right now.
trying to get the big cow.
You sure got it. Okay. There we go. Right there. That's where I'm gonna put it right there.
The end for last.
We got it done. I just left the rocker right there for now since it's, you know, gonna be 4 weeks and 2 days before we put the Christmas tree up. And then whenever we get the Christmas tree, we'll put it there and put the rocker somewhere else. Now it's time to make something to eat. We're making beef Alfredo. I already cooked the pasta over here. I'm about to drain it. I've got a pound of ground beef in here. There are only 4 of us here right now, so I'm doing the 4 to 5 serving. If you need more, just double it. This is a really easy recipe. Once the ground beef gets done, we're just going to drain it.
Since it's only going to be 4 weeks and 2 days until Christmas, can we go and get candy cane? Candy cane? I've got to say candy cane.
That's it, candy cane.
Yeah. Can we go and get some candy canes?
We'll see if they have candy canes. We'll get some. You like candy canes?
Yeah. Mama, just so you don't burn your hand, you better have this. Are those real?
Jonah's trying to blow those leaves. It stopped raining for a minute, and so he's trying to blow the leaves off the back porch, but they're stuck on there.
If it starts raining again, Jonah better hurry up.
Okay, we got the ground beef drained. We're going to put in a couple of tablespoons of butter. Okay. Adding some garlic powder. Okay, we'll just let the butter melt, and we're going to put in 2 cups of heavy cream. Some salt and pepper. Yeah, we put on a little Christmas music when we were finishing up there at the end. Okay, we're going to put about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. When this starts to simmer, we're going to put in 2/3 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. Okay, we're shaking in the Parmesan. I'm going to save just enough in here to sprinkle on the top. At the end, that should be good there. Okay, I'm going to turn this down. It's smelling good. Now we're going to add in the pasta. You can use any kind you want to use, shells, rotini, elbow, whatever you want to use. I'm adding just a little at a time so we don't have an overflow. Just stir this really good. Let it sit here for a few more minutes to thicken up. We're going to put a little more Parmesan on top, and it's done. It's good, y'all, like chicken Alfredo, but beef.
See y'all tomorrow.